Yes, yes, yes. Excuse my appearance, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I ain't get dressed yet. I'm not really in the mood right now. I don't got nowhere to be right now. I'm just chilling. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the spot doing what I do. All right, but anyways, in this video today, I want to talk to you guys about taking advantage of any and every opportunity you can when it comes to pushing your brand, when it comes to promoting your brand. All right, you want to get as many eyes on your brand as possible, to build that thing up and help that thing grow. Okay, so in this video, you'll see how I took advantage of an opportunity, all right, that was presented to me, and I pretty much ran with it. All right, now I'm an outgoing guy. I know a lot of people might not be as outgoing as me. Some of us might not be as vocal as others, but you got to find some type of way, to get things done. All right. So, like with that being said, uh, there was an opportunity presented to me where I can get my brand, I can get some eyes on my brand, from an industry artist, and and this particular artist was going to be in my state, a few towns away, a little bit over 30 minutes away from me. So I said, okay, you know what? That ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? 30 minutes. I could give my brand some exposure. I might as well go ahead and handle that. And that's pretty much what I did. So I ain't gonna hit y'all with the intro because I hit you with the intro on a second portion. But hey, before this video ends, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. And if you're looking for any of my merch, make sure you hit that Cash App, baby. And if you need some advice or you need some information pertaining to your brand, you guys should always DM me on Instagram or send me an email or just stay in contact with your boy, all right? Because I'm out here, baby. I'm out here. All right, so with that being said, I ain't going to hold y'all. I hope y'all enjoy the video. What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? So, I'm at this private event for Styles for You to Go. I took this opportunity to come here and do some free promotion. What I did was, I came in this joint. I gave out everybody free DCYP, man. You know what I'm saying? Let them know that I got a brand.
That's good, that's good.
Get a rush, focus up in the wall. You understand, like the M5 pedal when it's touching the floor. I get high because I ride.
I'm talking about.
Better than you. And
Get
I'ma
it.
always stay live because I'm better than you. All the time.
They said we shouldn't start the program. Styles.
It's the Edible Mix Vlog. Now you know.
Alright, now the name of the game is promote, promote, promote by any means necessary. You see, I went up in there and I did my thing. Introduced myself to the ghosts. Told them about the product. Gave them a few pieces while I was here. There's a bunch of people here. Handed out the mask. Told them, where to find me at. That's how you gotta promote your brand, baby, by any means necessary. You gotta do what's best for you and that brand, alright? Till next time, y'all, I might have a little contact. Oh, skit it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basic. Stay alert. And remember, choose your own path.